Ripe bananas are a great source of potassium, we all know that. But are you aware that green bananas, that is unripe or raw banana, has some amazing health benefits? Yes, you heard that right. Unripe bananas come with some amazing health benefits. In this video, we'll tell you all about that. Hello and welcome. You're watching The Health Site and my name is Sakshi. Let's get started with the video.
Number 1. Gut friendly. Raw bananas can help keep gut bacteria healthy. It contains the resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and acts as a food for the growth of gut-friendly microbes in the digestive system. Number 2. Heart healthy. Just like ripe bananas, green bananas are helpful for your heart health. Excellent source of potassium, a vital mineral that helps the muscles contract and heart to beat regularly. It also helps to control blood pressure. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol. The high fiber content of raw bananas helps to manage cholesterol. Because raw bananas are rich in fiber, it can be helpful in keeping your blood sugar level under control. Number 4. Rich in fiber. Fiber-rich fruits like bananas contain soluble fiber which makes them easier to digest. Soluble fiber may lower cholesterol levels according to some studies. Number 5. Loaded with antioxidants. Green bananas are loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and keep your body healthy. They contain vitamin C, beta-carotene and other phytonutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin.